Hey drivers and tech lovers, welcome back to Gadgetverse. If you care about safety, evidence, and total visibility on the road, then today's review is for you. Meet the VIOFO A229 Pro 3-channel 4K HDR dashcam, a next-gen dashcam system with cutting-edge sensors, ultra-clear footage, and 360 degrees vehicle coverage. Let's break it down. This dashcam setup includes 3 cameras, a 4K front camera, a 2K interior cabin cam, and a 1080p rear camera, giving you a full, high-res view of what's happening around your vehicle at all times. No blind spots. No guesswork. The star of the show, VIOFO, uses dual Sony STARVIS 2 sensors, the IMX678 for the front and IMX675 for the inside and rear. These sensors are known for exceptional low light performance, wide dynamic range, and crystal clear night vision. Whether it's daylight, dusk, or pitch black, your footage stays sharp and detailed. Footage is recorded at 4K 3840x2160 at 30 fps front, 2K 2560x1440 inside, and 1080p rear, all in sync. The result: true HDR clarity from all angles. There's built-in GPS for location plus speed logging, 5 GHz Wi-Fi for super-fast file transfers to your phone, and voice control for hands-free operation while driving. It's incredibly user-friendly, even on the go. The 2.4 HD screen gives you a live preview and quick access to settings, and the unit supports microSD cards up to 512 GB, perfect for long road trips or rideshare drivers who need constant footage. One of the standout features is 24-hour parking surveillance. With a hardwire kit sold separately, the A229 Pro monitors your car while parked, using motion detection, time-lapse, and impact recording, perfect for added peace of mind. Build quality is solid, heat resistance is excellent, and the discreet low-profile design keeps it stealthy and secure. Whether you're a rideshare driver, a road trip enthusiast, or someone who just wants complete protection on the road, the VIOFO A229 Pro offers flagship performance without a subscription. If you're ready to protect your drive with one of the most powerful dashcams out there, hit the Amazon link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. This is Gadgetverse, where we test it so you don't waste it.